Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Power BI to access Snowflake with OAuth, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Power BI to access Snowflake using OAuth, begin by creating an OAuth integration in your Snowflake account. Log into your Snowflake account and navigate to the Settings section. Select the Integrations tab and click on the Create button. Choose OAuth as the integration type. Fill in the required fields, including a name for your integration and the redirect URI for Power BI. Save your changes to create the OAuth integration. Next, take note of the client ID and client secret generated for your integration. Now, log into your Power BI account. In Power BI, go to the Get Data section. Search for and select Snowflake from the list of connector options. In the connection window, enter your Snowflake account details, including the server address. For authentication, select OAuth from the provided options. Input the client ID and client secret from your Snowflake integration. Enter the redirect URI that you specified during the Snowflake integration creation. Click Sign In to initiate the OAuth authorization process. You may be redirected to a login page for Snowflake. Enter your Snowflake credentials and grant access when prompted. Once the authorization process is complete, return to Power BI. You should see a confirmation that the connection was successful. Now, you can proceed to load data from Snowflake into Power BI. Choose the desired tables and views that you want to import. Finally, transform and visualize the data as needed within Power BI. Your Power BI is now successfully authorized to access Snowflake using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.